Hello guys, and welcome back to MSI Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to find the Forgotten Temple in HYTALE, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find the Forgotten Temple, make sure you watch the video up until the end. So anyways, if you guys want to find the Forgotten Temple, what you first need to do is go ahead and open up the map. Once the map is open, you need to look for this icon right here. It should point you towards the Forgotten Temple gateway. You can go ahead and select this location, and then as you can see on the top HUD, you will be able to see it. And then you can just go ahead and make your way over to the Forgotten Temple. Now if we go in this general direction, eventually we will come across the Forgotten Temple. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is basically how to find the Forgotten Temple. And I'm pretty sure you do need to find the Forgotten Temple to like level up to this part. See, it says find the Forgotten Temple to learn more. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how to find the Forgotten Temple in HYTALE. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.